Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel, and if you have been watching my past videos, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys, and it is about how to tie your ankara hair ties. So when I say ankara, I mean African. It's an African fabric hair ties. So first of all, before I continue with this video, I would like to thank all of you for your support. I just want to say I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and I love you guys so much. So I'm going to be showing you how we're going to do that. And this is what you're going to need. A fabric like that. Alright guys, so you want to make sure your fabric is long enough. The length has to be a very long length or manageable length, and then the width also have to be manageable, at least enough to cover your entire head. So yeah, so as you guys can see, my hair is already in a bun, so that is the first hairstyle we're going to be going for. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the hair tie on my hair like so. So basically this is kind of self-explanatory. Yeah, it's self-explanatory, so there's not much I have to say. All you gotta do is like watch it and you would see and understand everything I'm doing in this video. So yeah, but I'm also gonna kind of explain some stuff just in case. As you guys can see, I was touching my hair. I was trying to cover the top of my hair, so you want to make sure you cover the top of your hair if you're doing this kind of hairstyle. I mean, it's preference, you don't have to if you don't want to. And then you want to make sure also the two sides are same length. And then I'm going to go ahead and just wrap it. I'm making a twist right now and just wrapping it, kind of like tucking it somewhere. This is a very simple hairstyle. Basically, I'm done with this one. You just walk with it. Whatever you want to do, however you want to style it, it's okay. And so with the second hairstyle, we're gonna stick with the same tie, and then all I have to do is twist the hair tie, one side. I mean, twist one side and then tuck it somewhere, and then I'm gonna twist the other side also and then just tuck it somewhere, and that will be it. Very simple. Alright guys, so for the third hairstyle, I am going to take this hair tie off and then put my hair in a top bun. So the first hairstyle, my hair was in a low bun. This time it's going to be in a top bun. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it, and we're going to tie the hair tie. So with this one, I'm just like kind of like folding the hair very roughly, and I'm gonna tie it from the back. I'm gonna put it from the back and tie it to the front. This one also is very easy. Basically all the hair ties are very easy. So I'm gonna make 2 knots in the front, and I'm gonna twist again and just twist and roll around it until my front hair, twist the other one also, and just round it onto your head. So I think this one is called the top knot bun or something. I think so. I'm not sure. I think they call it the top knot bun. Very simple and cute. I like this one so much. So you just play around with it to your own liking. Just shape it however way you want to shape it, and that is it. This one looks really neat and nice. I love this one. So for the fourth hair tie, we're gonna kind of leave the same thing that we did here, kind of like leave it in the knots, and just take one side, fold it, and then tuck it somewhere at the back or on the side, and then do the same with the other side as well, and that will be it. You guys, these hairstyles are head wraps are very easy, and they're good in case like if you have like a very old hair that you don't want to wear out or you're embarrassed to wear out. You can just kind of like, you know, put a hair tie on, make it cute, make it nice, and then you're good to go. So as you guys can see, my hair is getting old already, so the front is looking really messy. So that's why I like to do this kind of hairstyle to kind of like cover how the front looks. So this one we're doing the bow style. So I feel like this one might be the hardest for some of you guys, but it is really simple. All you gotta do is just tie it in a bow and use your hands to like kind of shape the bow and put each end on inside the bowl to just put it in shape, and that will be it as well. This one is really nice. I like it. You can push it at the back, kind of like to kind of bring out your edges if you wish, and then you can leave it in the front if you want. You can cover your edges or you can remove your edges out. So yeah, that is it for this one too, and like I said, it's very easy. I hope Alright guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this cute little tutorial. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me your comment down below if you have any questions. Until I see you in my next video. Bye!